Do you ever feel like your holiday table looks the same every year? This time I decided to add something special, these beautiful bread bows. Start with warm milk, sugar and yeast. Let it sit until it gets a little foamy. Add one whole egg and one extra egg white. Save the yolks for brushing later. Add a pinch of salt. Now slowly add the flour until the dough becomes soft and smooth. Then knead in the melted butter and let it rise for 1 hour. After rising, divide the dough into 8 balls. Each ball makes 1 bowl. Roll a ball into a circle. Spread a little butter on top. Fold it once. Make 2 cuts in the center and twist gently to make the bow shape. Place them on a tray and let them rise for another 10 to 15 minutes. Before baking, brush with the egg yolk, and you can add sesame or poppy seeds if you like. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and fluffy. Right out of the oven, look how beautiful they turned out. And when you open one, look at this, soft, fluffy, and so perfect. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipe.